People are trying to walk back home. Tell me, in terms of arrangements, are you satisfied with the arrangements that have been made? Because right now, 11 deaths have been reported because of the stampede. The metro lines have closed because of overcrowding. You're having to walk back. Tell me, how was the situation wherever you were? Where were you firstly?
To be honest, we got down near Vidhan Sauda.
Okay.
We tried to get in there. There was a lot of traffic. We couldn't do anything there. So we walked towards the stadium. We had our passes. But to be honest, because of the crowd, we couldn't get in.
Okay.
So we had to walk back.
Where you were, did you feel anywhere unsafe? Was the crowd behaving unruly at that point? Was
To be
there enough
honest-
police to manage the situation?
To be honest, we couldn't even get into the stadium because the crowd was so much. Police were around, but I'm pretty sure even they couldn't handle it. There were a lot of people. Pretty sure they tried their best, but nobody could handle it. There were a lot of people.
Where-
The crowd, it is too much now today. We
But
have
now, yes, it was time for celebrations, but right now 11 people have lost their lives is what we're picking up. Of course, as RCB fans, this is not something that we would have wanted.
yeah, that is not sure about. We are not sure as of now.
Yeah.
Anyway, we tried there, but we couldn't go, even though we
sorry
had
for it,
passes.
but I'm sure we couldn't do much.
Absolutely, of
yeah,
course, the
because
management should have been better in terms of crowds. I hope you all get back safe. Young kids like this, where were you when you were in the crowd? Were you safe there, or was there a lot of pushing and pulling? You felt safe?
Yes.
Well, he says he felt safe. You are near Vidhan Sauda or near the stadium?
No, I was near a stadium.
You were near the stadium. Around what time were you there?
Around 4 o'clock.
Okay, around 4 o'clock the situation was pretty much better. Tell us, where were you? Because right now we are hearing of multiple locations where stampedes were happening. Many people have lost their lives. So were you safe where you were? Were there
Yeah,
too many
we were
crowds?
safe. Yeah,
Where were you at the last couple of hours?
I think we were at the VIP gate from
Okay.
where the bus entered.
Okay, and everything was okay there because we heard that there was a little bit of a stampede sort of a situation.
The situation was really tight. Actually, everyone was pushing around. After seeing the crowd, I thought we should just come out because breathing space wasn't there. Even at an open space, we couldn't breathe there actually.
Okay.
So it wasn't a fair thing.
Do you feel arrangements in any manner could have been better than what you saw?
I think so. They tried their best. The number of people that gather around was out of control actually. And then if the space is this much and the number of people is this much, I don't think so. The suffocation was too much for everyone.
Yeah, in fact, it's probably the largest crowd that I've
Yeah,
also
actually,
seen in
yeah.
Bengaluru. They're saying right now at least 11 people have lost their lives. This is not how we probably wanted to celebrate.
Yes, actually.
It was a day for a celebration for the people of the city. Now it's turning into a tragic situation. Tell me right now, as you all try to walk back because there's no transport, I believe that you were trying to take the metro as well. How are you trying to get back now?
We are still walking. We are not getting any cabs, not autos, nothing. Even the buses are full.
Yeah, and where do you all live?
Banshankari, second stage.
So quite a long distance for you all to go. Thank you for speaking to us. A lot of issues. Now, no transport, buses are full, metros are closed in fact because they're overcrowded. There's also a situation where at the hospital people are lining up. Not sure if the families are aware right now because not very clear if identity cards were found on the people who were brought in as well. The doctor who spoke earlier to NDTV of course confirmed that all of them who are brought here, whatever efforts that the doctors put in, they were not able to revive them. It was a very difficult situation for the doctors. One good news coming out of the hospital is that those who were brought in injured, they are out of danger. The doctors, the medical teams here are doing everything that they can to provide the best treatment is what I'm picking up. There are at least 7 people who've been brought there to the Bowring Hospital. That's a little distance from where I'm standing. And crowds continue to come in. You can see right now without public transport being available, no private transport as well available because of the sheer number of people that turned up. People now forced to walk and many of them live 10 kilometers away, 5 kilometers away. The only option is to walk now. Many questions could come up right now. Many of them I spoke to, they said that the police tried their best. The crowds were really overwhelming. Yes, it was. It's probably in the last about 4 decades that I've been in the city, I've never seen a crowd like this. And if this sort of a crowd was coming in, there had to be massive preparations. That's where the police themselves had expressed some apprehensions about even allowing for an open bus parade this morning. While there were plans to do it, they suggested against it. Even then, an open bus was brought to Vidhan Sauda. Not sure why. And one more question that could come up is whether this felicitation ceremony at Vidhan Sauda, the Grand Steps, was really required, because it made two different locations where the event was taking place. Crowds were gathering at these two locations, and then there was overcrowding as well. Now the police, of course, trying to disperse the crowds to who are gathered at the hospital. So definitely a lot to look at politically as well. Things are developing with the BJP now blaming the state government for this situation.